Well, unfortunately, the Uber CEO, Dara Khosrowshahi, has cut pay for drivers. I know even with rampant inflation and what Joe Biden is doing to this economy, and Governor Gavin Newsom recently promoting fast food workers, requiring them to all get paid $20 per hour now. You can go, if you live in California, you can go work at In-N-Out, Chick-fil-A, or McDonald's and make 20 bucks an hour. On the other hand, Uber and actually DoorDash too, pay has fallen. So we're gonna dive into those numbers. But before I do, I wanna tell you guys about an amazing opportunity to start making money right here on YouTube, okay? There is an incredible opportunity right now to make money, and this is something that I've been doing for 5 years. It's called Faceless YouTube channel. So you can create a faceless YouTube channel and start making money, and it, in the long run, will become passive and actually start generating money if you put in the time at the beginning. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme at all. Okay, it will most likely take several months of investing your time. And this is just one of my YouTube channels. I have several channels, but this is just one. As you can see, I made over $10,000 per month so far this year, over 56 grand. And this is just 2023, all of last year, you can see. Oh, someone's calling me. And I made over $120,000 in the year, so that's over $10,000 per month average. So I have now created a community that you can join, and I just opened it up to allow for a 30-day free trial that you can try it out and cancel at any time. But once you do that, it will unlock programs. So once you sign up, go to the login, click My Programs, and then click View Programs, and that will unlock the YouTube channel Faceless program. It's a 54-minute video that you can watch explaining it all, how to set it all up, and how I generate money, over $10,000 every single month. Again, for the average of the past year and a half. You don't need experience, you don't need a following. You just need a little bit of time at the beginning, and then it should become passive if it works well. It did for me, it changed my life. I was able to buy this house that I'm sitting in right now in Southern California. Even though real estate prices are insane, I still was able to get in. But here we go. Gig worker pay on delivery apps like Uber Eats and DoorDash have fallen up to 15% last year. So this is actually a data study from our friends over at Gridwise. Gridwise is an app for drivers. They did a study. I believe they did like 10,000 drivers or something. I don't know. They did a massive study, and Uber thought they could get away with it, but Gridwise was like, no, we're doing a study showing that both DoorDash and Uber Eats driver pay declined up to 15% last year. Delivery gig workers made less money on Instacart, Uber Eats, and other apps in 2023. Some worked fewer hours, but their earnings fell faster. Gig work has become more competitive, and many gigs pay less than they used to, contractors told Business Insider. This is a massive story on Business Insider, and it's showing really that although drivers are going out and trying to work, the same amount, their pay fell up to 15%. Some drivers even more. So delivering for Uber Eats and DoorDash as a gig worker got less lucrative last year, according to a new study. So if you're thinking about, spending, okay, I'm gonna go out and do Uber Eats and DoorDash for 40, 50 hours, just know that 2 years ago, they were making more than they are now, according to this data. So that just goes to show you, this is not a long-term career, and in fact, the pay is going down when cost of living is going up. So inflation's going up, the value of your dollar, by the way, is going down, right? The dollar you make today is worth a lot less than it was a couple years ago, right? How much food can you go and get with $10 now if you go to a restaurant? Back in the day, even like 5-6 years ago, you could get a whole meal. Now, good luck, buddy. You can't even afford a sandwich at Chick-fil-A, a basic sandwich for $10 now. It's like, I don't even know, what is the Chick-fil-A menu prices now? One little sandwich, let's look up what's the chicken club. That's not the basic one, but that's usually what I would order. Look at this, Let's go to entrees at Chick-fil-A. Take a wild guess. Okay, this is crazy. This is the most basic Chick-fil-A sandwich. $8.45. They don't even put lettuce on that one. The spicy deluxe sandwich, $10.25. Chick-fil-A deluxe sandwich, $9.59. This is no sides. This is no. This comes without the drink and without the fries. Just this sandwich only. Spicy deluxe sandwich, $10.25. You get lettuce on there if you want. If you spend an extra $2. But the most basic, boring little sandwich is $9. What an absolute joke. Grilled nuggets. Are you joking me? These little, tiny little bites, $9.59? What planet are we living on? How many deliveries do you need to do on Uber Eats and DoorDash to be able to afford grilled nuggets at Chick-fil-A? You gotta go out and do like 3 or 4 deliveries just so you can have a little bite, a little snack. That doesn't even include fries, that doesn't even include drinks. What an absolute joke. Oh yeah, oh you wanna be healthy and get a little fruit cup? $6.49. By the way, it doesn't even include tax. It doesn't include tip. So if you wanna get a little fruit cup, tax and tip, yeah, you're spending like $10-12 for a little thing of fruit. It's what a joke. And Uber has the audacity to lower pay for drivers in all this. Absolute joke. Should be enough reason to quit doing Uber and DoorDash and move on to something else. Move on to something that's more fulfilling, something that's gonna, at least, the more you work at it, the more money you'll make. That's why I personally love being an entrepreneur and doing YouTube, is because the more you put into it, the more you get. It's like, I can upload 1 video a day and I'm gonna get, you know, probably $10. I could upload 10 videos a day and get like $100. So that's why I love doing YouTube. So if you wanna start a YouTube faceless channel, click the link below. Again, right now I have a 30-day free trial. At least at the time of this video, those could run out very soon because I'm only allowing that for the first 100 people and then I'm gonna shut it off. I will walk you through how to set up your own faceless YouTube channel. You do not need experience. Obviously, you don't need to show your face. That's obviously intended or implied. And then you don't need a following either. You know, you can start this on a brand new account, and within a couple of short months, you could probably start generating revenue. And I will walk you through it and guide you. And we have a group chat too that you can join, and I'm gonna, you know, give you feedback along the way. It's not just a one. That's why I hate about all these courses and communities. They really sell you on, oh yeah, join this, and then, you know, then they forget about you. No, I'm a nerd. I'm a YouTube nerd. I love YouTube, and I love, like, what I personally love is building up new businesses. So this is like a dream come true for me to be able to interact with you. Hey, you just made this channel. Hey, you just got 20 subscribers. Hey, you just got 100 subscribers. Hey, you just got monetized. Hey, you're making 20 bucks a day, 40 bucks a day passively. Hey, let's try to get that to 100 bucks a day. Let's try to get that to 200 bucks a day. All of a sudden, you know, you're starting to achieve financial freedom and make money passively. For me, I don't want anything. I just want to help you. It's like, I hate these people who are like, oh yeah, I want 10%, I want 20%. No. This is your life, okay? You deserve all that. You worked hard at it. I'm just, you know, helping you along the way. Okay, so anyways, join my group below if you'd like. Again, I was able to use YouTube and the faceless YouTube channel method I've been doing this for 5 years. I have over 1 million subscribers. It allowed me to buy my dream house. I have a massive backyard. No pool yet. That's next step. I want to build a pool, and it looks like I actually could be able to do that probably within the next year or two if I keep working hard enough. And, you know, it's crazy. Like, I was able to do that in my 20s. It's like, and I didn't grow up with any wealth. Neither of my parents ever owned a house. Never ever. They didn't ever get a bachelor's degree. I mean, it's all good. Like, I don't care. Like, you know, I grew up in a single parent household. It's like, I feel blessed that I was, you know, had a really loving mother and everything. But it's like, I never thought that I was going to be able to buy a house. You know, I had massive credit card debt. I was working Uber, DoorDash, like Uber Eats, Postmates, working at Nike, working 3-4 jobs at a time, struggling, hitting my bank account balance kept going below zero. I'd get charged a $35 fees. I felt like I was drowning. And YouTube really changed my life. So anyways, I'm rambling at this point. I'm sure you guys are sick of me. Join my group below. Otherwise, guys, stay tuned for more updates. You guys are the best. We'll talk to you soon. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Bye for now.